We're located here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is our headquarters in the United States of America. This building has corporate offices, it has meeting rooms, labs, and what's so important behind me here is the YZ centrifugal chiller. It is a game changer in the industry. It has a lot less moving parts, it's less maintenance, it's more efficient. We installed it during August, our peak cooling season in Wisconsin, and this thing has picked up the pace flawlessly. This is not a prototype. This is a real live chiller. It has gone through our testing environment. We can already recognize the energy efficiency off of this chiller compared to the one that it replaced, and it is running this facility. It is oil-free, it is lubricant-free, it has fewer moving parts than other chillers in the industry. So when you think about that, with less moving parts, that's less parts to break down in the mechanical device itself. The added benefit is that the York YZ uses R1233ZD. It's a non-flammable, highly efficient, low global warming potential refrigerant. From a customer standpoint, the way you look at it is each customer has a finite amount of budget dedicated to the maintaining of their building and facility. So it allows customers, technicians, as well as Johnson Controls technicians to spend less time on the chiller. So at Johnson Controls, one of our key foundations is the life cycle of a building. 10, 15 years down the road, that's a chiller that keeps paying back to the customer's bottom line. They don't have to have those added costs by their maintenance technicians fixing those type of things.